Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan Garlic Chicken Pasta. First, let's start with adding some chicken to the bottom of your crock pot. Then add in a jar of Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic sauce. Yummy. Add in some milk and some Parmesan cheese. Then lay a block of cream cheese right on top, cover it up, cook it on high for 4 hours, low for 5 to 6 hours. Then take a handheld mixer and shred your chicken. This is literally life-changing. Add in some more milk, give it a good mix. And then take your cooked pasta and add that right on top. Give it another good mix to get that combined well. I like to add in some Italian parsley at the end, a little more Parmesan cheese, and then there you have it. Absolutely delicious.